Hey guys, are you looking for a cake you can make in just 15 to 20 minutes? You're done. I got your back this morning and journey with me on making this easy recipe vanilla flavor cake. Very easy to make. All you need is your ingredients. Number one, please, if you want to get it right, measure right. Flour, milk, eggs. Here we have vegetable oil, sugar, baking powder, butter, and vanilla flavor. That is all. All measurements are listed on the video. So on the video screen below. Yes. So first I'll be melting out my butter. Yes, because I want to make this very easy for you. You don't need a mixer or a standing mixer to make cake for your children in this time. Yes. You can copy this recipe and keep it for yourself for many times you can try it. It's very easy. Add your baking powder into your measured out flour and you mix together. Yes, like I said, this is very easy to make. You don't no stress, no missy, no creamy, nothing. It's just a straightforward process today with me. So at least your children will get to eat cake that their mommy made. So sieve your flour. Don't forget we have our baking powder inside the flour, well mixed. So sieve here. To me, I'm just sieving to incorporate air into this flour. Nothing much because if for dirt, there is no dirt in this flour. But down in my country, Nigeria, a lot of flour, you will notice a lot of dirt. I know what I'm saying. So please, wherever you are, try your best to sieve. See, you can sieve for air. You can also sieve for dirt. After melting the butter, pour it right into a mixing pan. You can use your turning stick. You can use your spatula. Pour the vegetable oil right inside. Mix, and you pour in your sugar. Yes, like I said, you don't have to struggle, cream, do this, do that. This one is a straightforward one. Very easy to make. Just follow me. You will get it all done in 15 to 20 minutes. So cream a little bit and you start adding the next ingredients, your eggs. Pour in all the eggs and you continue mixing. All you're missing for is to just get into the ingredients combined together. No stress, like I said. This is very easy measure. The only thing you need to do for me if you want to get this cake right, make sure you use your kitchen scale, make sure you use your measuring cups, make sure you use your measuring spoons. Very important. Every other thing is pretty easy. Just trying to mix egg and every inside to incorporate very well, and we're set to start adding the other ingredients. Yes, so you can see what I'm doing. If today is your first time of watching, please feel free to like this video, share to your friends and family, join this lovely page, down this lovely channel, and feel free to comment or ask question. This thing is just like half tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Yes, if you're using your spoon, so just measure half tablespoon of vanilla flavor is okay. So right now we're left with the flour. That's the baking powder and flour. Do you remember we'll mix together, and the remaining milk and the milk, liquid milk. So we'll add a little bit of the flour and we'll add a little bit of the liquid milk. Pretty easy. Like I said, you can see we are not missing the last one. We're almost done because I told you it's very easy. I don't want to make it look so hard because I want everybody to be trying cake. I have other recipe that looks a bit stressful because you have to cream, but this one is pretty easy and I know you will get it. At this point, while you're mixing in your flour and your liquid milk, make sure you've on your oven. Yes, 180 is okay. 180 degrees is okay, and you make sure you preheat it for at least 15 minutes before putting the cake. Yes, so you can see I've added the last batch of the flour, milk all in, taking my time to mix everything. Just like that, you have made your beautiful, lovely, fluffy cake batter. Yes, this is an easy recipe. Like I said, I promise you I'll keep it easy today, and indeed it was easy. So let me know in the comment section, do you think you're gonna try this? Do you think it looks easy for you to make? Yes, are you going to try this cake out? So right away, I have to, if you have only baking paper, please just put it, place your baking paper on your pan is okay. But if you don't have baking paper, grease your pan with butter as I have done, and you dust with flour. So you can see I am now dusting with my flour. Just go round, and you remove the excess. That's the way to dust with flour. You can use cupcakes depending on what you're doing. Yes, you can use cupcakes because children love this present of cupcakes in here. So right away I will start pouring out this butter. This is very easy, I promise you. I want you to try this. So I just want people to tell me they're going to try this recipe, and let's see the outcome. So right away I start filling my cupcakes. Take your time to do this. You can see how fluffy our butter is looking. Isn't this beautiful? Just tell me. This is super nice. So I'll pour the rest in the pan, and that is it. So like I said, make sure your oven has been preheated at least 15 to 20 minutes before you start putting your cake. Yes, very, very important. After pouring out this cake batter, another thing you need to do is to tap on your table to close all air bubbles. Yes, to you it might not look important, to me it looks so important. Yeah, so finally, after baking for 25 minutes, my cake was ready. Yes, please listen to this thing. If you were baking your cake, don't think because mine baked for 25 minutes or 30 minutes yours will come out like that. No, some oven are slow and some are pretty hotter. So make sure at any interval of 10 to 15 minutes you're checking your cake. Very, very important. Please do this for me. Very, very important. Check your cake. Insert a skewer inside it to check when it's ready. Look at that. Isn't this soft enough? So your children can enjoy cake today if you're trying this. Yeah, so insert something to say. You can use a pen knife to make sure if everything is clear, nothing comes out with the pen knife or nothing comes out with the skewer. Know you have a good cake to go. You need to off the oven and take out your cake. Please try this. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.